this video, we'll see how to use Ask Studio by Google to optimize our channel's content and get the maximum output. So first, I have come to Google Studio, the page where you can see all your content and everything. Just click on this Ask Studio, maximize it if you want. Yes. Now I'm going to ask this pretty easy question, which every one of us has in mind, right? When do you see my channel getting update, getting viral? Use current videos to determine trajectory to success. So we have put an input, we'll just wait for it to complete. We have just put in the input, we'll be just waiting for it to complete the output. So we are still waiting for it. Okay, now what we have given. Okay, now we can see we have the output. So as you can see, your growth trajectory, it has mentioned that in last 20 days my views are increased by this percent. This is my the number of subscribers, the formula for success. This is also showing us what is the top content category which the users are being attracted to. So it's mentioning all what the type is. So as you can see, it also is mentioning that ancient and world mysteries, intriguing titles and emojis are also. It also mentions that the title and the emojis are also helping us out with the output, getting more views, right? So it was also helping us out with the areas of concern. So yes, it's really good. Now, this is a very basic generalized output, right? Let's see a few more optimization techniques which we have heard about from many YouTubers, which we have heard about from many YouTubers, right? So let's start. Okay, what is the best time to upload one video to YouTube? Also, test scheduling videos, generating more views. So let's see what it has to say about this. So it also helps us out with the prime time, what we want to do, weekends and everything. The scheduling is as the most effective strategies you can make. So it's pointing out the most important thing. It does not magically guarantee more views. So as few of the YouTubers have been telling you to optimize your videos via this strategy, it doesn't work. Okay, audience expectation, very people. So it mentions just that scheduling videos is just for our sake of convenience. That's it. I think. Okay, so I have shown you this basic. Come to this inspiration tabs. We have a lot of ideas which Google is suggesting us. So if you have any topic or theme in question, you can just mention it here and it will explode. But let's pick one what is being presented here. So I'm just checking out on paranormal investigation. It has given us with 6 ideas, and if you click on show more, it will generate more for us, right? So let's start with any one of one. So let's pick any one of these which okay. So let's pick any one of these whichever you like. I'll be picking the very first which I'm getting. Okay. Now let's see what it is telling us. So examining responding. This is giving the description why this could be because I have created a. Okay, it does not have the answer for this, but it has got the related videos. Let's see if it can generate one because I have not been generating paranormal related content. So it's not so. if it does, if it is finding anything related to my, it will also mention you the possible outcomes. So let's click on develop idea to see if what it does, right? So I clicked on develop idea. It has given us the title for it, and it gives us everything. So if you want, you can do hooks. If you have a different options for hooks, right? If you go back, you can see the outline and the thumbnails, also the titles as well, right? So outline, we can see what it does, what it is trying to do. So you see, this Google Ask Studio is a very powerful tool that is intended to help us optimize our content, get maximum out of the AI, and help us channel grow. And let me give you a bonus tip. So if you come here and if you do not want to pay for Claude or any other coding assistant, right? So you can generate coding in it. So let me show you that. Mm, Okay, and yes, this Art Studio is really powerful. It helps us get insights on our existing videos. It also helps us generate new ideas for videos. As I showed you, with this you can also optimize the exact times, which depends upon if you have a viewer specific. And in short, Art Studio is a very powerful tool by Google, and I would suggest everyone to use it to optimize their content. Thanks everyone. See you guys in the next video.